यूएस बायोसिक्योरिटी गाइडेंस। जब भी हमने लेजिस्लेशन या रेगुलेशंस की बात की, हमने हमेशा एग्रीकल्चर, हेल्थ और एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड बात की। नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द यूएस बायोसिक्योरिटी गाइडेंस इन रिलेशन टू द बायोवेपन्स. So in United States of America, there is an association known as AFIA. A stands for America, F for Feed, I for Industry, and A for Association. This association provides the bioweapons guidelines, as we know that bioweapons are the lethal pathogens that are harmful or lethal for the human beings. Now, this association provides guidelines, recommendations to feed and ingredient manufacturers that they must develop the biosecurity plan within their institution. The purpose is to control the spread of the animal diseases. Now, this association not only controls the diseases within the animals, but it also deals with zoonosis, that is the transfer of diseases from animals to human beings. Now, this association, that is America Feed Industry Association, it also regulates each location, business, facility, and this helps to develop the biosecurity plan. जब भी हमने biosecurity plan develop करना होता है, तो we also look at the location, business, and facility. This is what US biosecurity guidance provide us. That is based on the potential hazards and risk of occurrence within the process. So this helps us to establish the procedures. There must be proper implementation of those procedures. This tells us that the biosecurity plan is developed well, and this is the success of the biosecurity plan. As the situation changes, it is more effective. So, बायोसिक्योरिटी प्लान हर इंस्टीट्यूट ने अपना डिज़ाइन करना है और उसको जैसे जैसे हालात बदलते जाएं, एंड इट शुड बी मेड मोर इफेक्टिव. सो वी लुक एट द टर्म नोन एज बायो रिस्क, दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी और द चांस दैट द एडवर्स इवेंट विल अकर. सो there is another term known as risk assessment that helps us to identify the hazardous material. Here it can be acceptable risk, unacceptable risk, or it can be related to laboratory work. So acceptable risk is actually tolerable and understood. Then let's talk about the biorisk management, that is the development, establishment of the procedures within the institution or at the national level, and the strategies that should be adopted to reduce the biorisk. Now, this biorisk management is the responsibility of the director that helps to establish those procedures to design such a biosecurity plan that reduces the biosecurity risk. For this, we must develop biorisk management committee, and this is what US biosecurity guidance provide, that biorisk management committee consists of biorisk officers, biosecurity supervisors, and the people from different disciplines. Then let's talk about the code of conduct, which is also known as code of practice or code of bioethics. This is a non-legislated guideline. It is actually built up by one or more organizations to set up their own standards according to the particular activity. जैसे suppose laboratory work से हम deal कर रहे हैं, तो एक organization अपनी biosecurity guidelines खुद तैयार कर सकती है. Then comes the responsibility of vulnerable biological materials. VBM stands for vulnerable biological materials. Now, what is the responsibility while dealing with such materials? It requires administration. There must be proper control while using or handling or storing these biological materials. और इसकी जिम्मेदारी बायोसिक्योरिटी बायोरिस्क कमेटी पे डाली जाती है. So there must be protective measures that is valuable for the population, even for subpopulations, because vulnerable biological materials include toxins of the microorganisms. Sometimes they are also the non-pathogenic strains. It can be foods, vaccines, genetically modified organism. Even any genetic material can act as a vulnerable biological material. Then simple cell components and even extraterrestrial samples. ये सारे materials, biological materials are included under the heading of vulnerable biological material. So there must be proper control while handling or storing these materials, because this is the responsibility of Biorisk Committee of United States of America.